Do you own a FESLEY FLP350? If so, you'll want to watch this video. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, we're going to go do a continuity test on two guitars. This is the one that I bought some time ago, my Cort guitar, made by Cort, gasoline, and then this is the FESLEY. Now let's go ahead and ground this one out. I'm going to go right on the threads on the jack right there, so I know I've got a solid attachment. Then let's go ahead. First of all, let's check the one that's right below to make sure we have good connection. Yeah. That's coming from the insert that's inside the guitar. But I don't have anything up in here at all. And this is another bridge that I picked up over at Zim's. And besides this one being a little bit thicker, I don't know, is this painted or is this powder coated? Either way, the ground is not getting through to the system, and I'll show you on this one as far as a comparison. Here I'm going to go ahead and touch the threads on the jack, and see? That's what I should be getting. That bridge on the FESLEY should be giving me a tone, and it's not. That's a perfect test, by the way, to compare. So again, even with the replacement bridge, this is not the right type of bridge. Question is, what is? So I think I'm going to go online. Since I'm going to redo this guitar anyway, I'm going to go online and I'm going to order the bridge that I want to use, and we'll see how that works. That might take me a few days, but I'll get back to you. But I can tell you right now, it's a bridge issue. The posts and the bridge are not grounded, even with another bridge on there. So it's a matter of finding the correct bridge. But this should be tested before you put out your next batch. And I'm talking to FESLEY directly. Hopefully they're watching this video. But this needs to be corrected before your next batch goes out. You have to get a ground tone on your bridge.